Hi guys, so this is Joita Chatterjee and today is 13th February. I'm celebrating my birthday and I'm really excited. I booked ITC and I want to show you my room. So let's go and check it out. So this is the dining area. Olivia, please come. So this is the dining area where I'm going to celebrate. Here is a office area also, though I'm not going to work today. So this is a small office area kind of a place, like work area. I just love this room. It's ITC Maratha. It's just near airport. So this is the table for lunch or dinner. This is a bar area. He is Vicky. He is going to take my pictures today.
Hi.
He is my friend Raj.
Hello.
And please come this side. So, though I'm not going to use the kitchen, but here is a small kitchen setup. And this suite we have 2 bedrooms, so I will show you. So one is guest room. First I'm going to show you the guest room. Come. So here is a guest room, and he is Ismail. He is doing my makeup today because I'm planning to do a photo shoot also today. So after this I will get ready. And this is the washroom for the guest room. Though the guest room is also very big. And now come, I will show you my room. First time in this suite I'm staying, and I really love this property. I really love this suite. So now come. This is the dining area, and this is my room where I'm going to stay tonight. So yeah, please come inside. So yeah, this is it. And the ITC people, they decorated everything for me. You can see the balloons and cake and champagne, everything. This is a small changing area with my room. And where is the washroom? I can't see the washroom. I think this is a steam and like room के अंदर ही एक जिम का थोड़ा सा setup है. Steam room. I really love this property. सब कुछ है यहाँ पे. And so here I love this paintings of this Maratha people, Chhatrapati Shivaji and all. Come. And here is a little bar area. And I think that's it. That's my room tour for today. And so yeah, that's it. And I just love the property. Even I want to see the view. Balcony भी है, I think so. But वो कैसे curtain super करते हैं? नहीं आएगा, I think so. नहीं आएगा.
तो जोईता, आज आपका जन्मदिन है.
Yes.
तो आप पार्टी कब करने वाली है, इसके बारे में बताइए.
So today I'm doing a photo shoot as well as, because as you can see this is a lovely property. So I want to do some photo shoot, and after that Evening time, like around 8, I will start partying.
तो आपकी पार्टी में कौन कौन आ रहा है? हिंदी बोल, हिंदी।
Few close friends like Pallavi Mukherjee and then Rohan Mehra from class of 2020, and few my close friends like 10 peoples, and that's it.
What gifts have you got so far?
अभी तक मैंने चेक नहीं किया. I have to check them all. सब रैप किया हुआ है अभी तक.
और कोई स्पेशल विश मिली है आपको?
मिली है या मतलब मैं विश करना चाहती हूँ आज कुछ ऐसा?
नहीं, मिली है कुछ? नथिंग एज
अभी
सच?
तक नहीं, बट आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम एंजॉयिंग. बट या ऐसा कुछ मुझे अभी तो याद नहीं आ रहा.
जैसे आज 13 फेब है, आपका जन्मदिन है, कल है वैलेंटाइंस डे, तो जोईता चैटर्जी जो रांची के नाम से फेमस है, क्लास ऑफ 2020 की, क्या प्लान्स है उनके वैलेंटाइंस डे के?
Valentine's Day, so I will go out with my friends for dinner, but that's it, as I'm single, so yeah, friends के साथ सेलिब्रेट कर रही हूँ.
तो जैसे आपने कहा आप सिंगल है, तो किस तरह का लड़का, मतलब अगर आपके तो शो में तो इतने दीवाने थे लड़के, तो क्या करना चाहिए कि आपका दिल जीत ले? मतलब कोई टिप्स हो, अभी एक दिन बचा है तो आप बता सकते हैं आपके फैंस को.
Okay, like firstly तो he have to be very loyal to me. Like if he is attracted to me, he have to be attracted to me only, not other people like other girls.
वन क्वालिटी जो आपको लगे कि आपके फ्यूचर पार्टनर में हो.
लॉयल्टी इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, जो कि मिलती नहीं है, अभी तक तो नहीं मिली है. होपफुली दिस ईयर.
और जैसे कि 14 फेब है, तो
हाँ.
आपका कोई ड्रीम क्रश या ड्रीम डेट जिसके साथ आप जाना चाहो?
Recently I have crush on, can I tell his name? I don't know, should I tell it or not? Because recently after watching Bebaki, I have a crush on Kushal Tandon. Okay.
Okay. And lastly, what are your future projects?
Future projects, so one with Amazon Prime is coming, and then one is with Alt, but obviously I can't reveal the name.
Okay, thank you
But
so much.
yeah, thank you.